Taking care of this 52 Chevy is a lot like real estate. It's all about maintenance, value, and appreciation. Whether it's classic cars or homes, when you maintain them well, they hold value, and sometimes they even surprise you and outperform the market. In real estate, I help my clients buy, sell, and invest with that same mindset. Preserve the details, protect the investment, and enjoy the ride. If you're thinking about buying or selling, or you just love classic cars, follow along. Let's talk cars, homes, and how to make smart investments.